So first, you should put the multimeter to the DC voltage to 20 volts and then press power button. So as you can see here, for example, in this motherboard, this is the BIOS chip, as you can see, with 8 pins. Okay. Usually the BIOS is near to the super IO, as you can see. You will find usually the BIOS near to the super IO or near to the ICH. So let's plug the power adapter and then check the pin number 8 of the BIOS. As you see in the schematic, always you will find 3.3 volt in the pin number 8 of the BIOS without powering on the laptop. We have this dot here, means this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's check pin number 8. So as you can see in the multimeter, we have 3.3 volt. So if you find that 3.3 volt in pin number 8 of the BIOS, but the laptop still does not working, means you should reprogram the BIOS. Because about 90% the file or the firmware inside the BIOS is corrupted. So as you can see in the schematic, we have in the pin number 3 volt also. As you can see in the schematic, in the pin number 3 write protect, we have 3 volts. So let's check pin number 3. So 1, 2, 3, we should find 3 volt, as you can see. So pin number 4, we will find 0 volt because the pin number 4 is connected to the ground. So let's check the clock. So the clock exists in pin number 6. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pin number 6. So let's check. Here we have 1.5 volt. Okay. So the clock is okay. So the power of the BIOS seems okay. So if you have a failed motherboard and you check the 3.3 volt in the pin number 8 of the BIOS and you find it good, you check the clock, you find it good, means you have problem with the firmware inside the BIOS. You should flash or program the BIOS and you will solve the problem.